Hello guys, so today I'm replacing this one. I already replaced it and I got the aluminum cover gasket, aluminum cover, and the Machen or something like that, the gasket. So you know probably all who's doing this that torquing the lower bolts, two lower bolts, is always the problem, right? Because we cannot get torque wrench there, and taking all of this is a huge problem. So far I just got this hose, which is I think coolant out, and I could replace it very easily. But I want to show you the tip. How can you torque this to the right specification without having over there the torque wrench? So let me show you. Okay, so the things that you will need is this wrench. Is a 10 millimeter, so you can slide it down to the cover chain, right? To those two bolts. But how you get torque? So I have this torque wrench right here. The inch pounds, so we need to torque it to 80 inch pounds or 9 newtons. So what I do, I take those bolts that I can reach. It's right on the top side or on the right side, on the top or on the right. And then I have this tool, which is just the to weigh your luggage, So you reset it, and then you push it. Then you see how many kilograms or pounds your luggage weight. So how you can transfer it? Torque those upper bolts to the right position. You still need to torque all of the other close to the torque specification, because you need to torque them in a specific pattern. But you torque one of those to the final position, then you take it on the top and you check, you push, hold it here, you push, and you check how much kilos does it take, or pounds, to torque the bolt. So I'm torquing mine to way lower. I'm torquing only to the 3 newtons, because I don't have the original bolts from Volkswagen that have the rubber thing inside, rubber sleeve. Those need the correct specification, but because I don't have those, I will just crash my gasket if I go with the original torque. So anyway, so this is how you do it, and then you make sure that the one and another wrench is almost the same length, right? It's almost the same. Then you take this wrench, it bends here, so you go down there, you take your luggage weight and you make sure you push 90 degrees the way, and then you just have to match wherever it was before. Okay, so that's the point, and you push it like that. So if you want to be very precise, that's the great way that I figure it out. Well, this one already showing I hit it wrong, so it's supposed to be somewhere here. So you buy it, I bought it in ACE Harbor, or whatever it calls the store, and yeah, you just check with those that you can reach how much weight you need, and then you apply to the same. But the most important part in that is that the length of those two, the torque wrench and the other one, is the same. If this one is longer, you will over torque. If it's shorter, you would need more power, more weight to push it to the same weight. Okay, well, hope you like it, and this is my first video.